Hello, friends, and welcome to yet another amazing session of Wisdom Zone. And this is Shubro. And friends, today I have a very essential video for you because today I'm gonna discuss helpful English vocabulary to replace very, and I'm gonna give you some advanced English vocabulary so that you can use them and replace the word very. So it is my earnest request to all the viewers, please watch this video carefully till the end and do not skip it at all. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do not wait, friends, and immediately subscribe to Wisdom Zone and hit the bell icon to get the first notification. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. 3, 2, 1. So friends, welcome back once again to this fascinating session on helpful English vocabulary to replace very. And as I have promised, today I'm going to give you 10 advanced English vocabulary we can use to replace the word very. So before I go ahead, let me quickly remind that I have provided some more videos on advanced vocabulary and important vocabulary in the description. So if you want to learn more advanced vocabulary and words, so do not forget to check the links given in the description. So without further ado, let us get started with today's discussion. So friends, as I have promised, I'm going to discuss 10 helpful English vocabulary, and you can use all these words and replace the word very because we use very quite often. So the first is very bad and shocking. So we often use this very bad and we say very bad or shocking. Instead, we can use the word appalling. So as you see on your screen, you can use the term appalling. It is also an adjective. Instead of very bad, you can use the word appalling. As you see, the example is on your screen. Her behavior was appalling. We can also use names like deplorable and awful. So up next, we are going to turn our attention towards the second word, and we can use the second word to replace very curious. So as you see, very curious, in order to replace very curious, you can use this adjective inquisitive. So let me pronounce it once again. It's inquisitive. It is also an adjective, and you can use this to replace very curious. So as you see, the example is on your screen. Students are inquisitive to know the result. So I'm quite sure it's crystal clear. Up next, we will turn our attention towards the third helpful vocabulary which you can use. As you see, third word which you can use is to replace very pleasant or charming. As you see on your screen, very pleasant or charming. You can use the term enchanting to replace very pleasant or charming. It is also an adjective. As you see, the example is on your screen, an enchanting sunny day. So like this way, you can use this term enchanting and stop using very pleasant or very charming again and again. Up next, we will see the fourth one. As you see, we can replace very powerful or large using this particular word, that is mighty. It is primarily used as an adjective, and you can also use it as an adverb, which means very. Let me show you how to use it. As you see in this example, a mighty young man, that means a powerful young man. So instead of saying very powerful, you can use the term mighty. Up next, we are going to focus on the fifth helpful vocabulary. To replace very polite, we can use the word courteous. As you see on your screen, courteous, it is also an adjective. Instead of saying very polite again and again, you can use the term courteous. As you see the example on your screen, everyone loves Sam because he is quite courteous. That means he's very polite. Up next, we will turn our attention towards the sixth one, as you see on your screen. So we can replace very quiet or calm using the word placid. It is also an adjective. Next time, do not use very quiet or calm. Instead, you can use this beautiful term placid. As you see the example on your screen, a placid hill station. That means very quiet. Up next, we will see the seventh one. So the seventh word is used to replace very annoying, which you see on your screen, and it is exasperating. Let me pronounce it once again. It's exasperating. Exasperating means very annoying, and obviously it's an adjective. So next time, do not use this term very annoying. So you can use this term exasperating. So as you see the example on your screen, his behavior was quite exasperating. That means his behavior was very annoying. So up next, we are going to see the eighth vocabulary, and we can use the eighth vocabulary to replace very bright, and that is radiant. Let me pronounce it once again. It's radiant. It is also an adjective. Instead of saying very bright again and again, you can next time use this term radiant. As you see the example, a radiant green field. Up next, we will see the ninth helpful vocabulary which you can use to replace very cute. We often say very cute, she looks very cute. So instead, we can use the term adorable. As you see on your screen, it's adorable. It is also an adjective. So let me show you how to use this helpful vocabulary. As you see the example on your screen, I saw 4 adorable puppies. That means very cute puppies. And the last one is, you see on your screen, very often. We use it again and again. Next time you can use the term frequently. And obviously it's also an adverb like often. So instead of saying very often again and again, you can use the term frequently, and it is also quite easy to use. As you see the example, Tom eats out frequently. Tom eats out frequently, that means very often. I'm quite sure it's crystal clear. So friends, today I give you 10 extremely helpful English vocabulary, and you can use all these vocabulary to replace very. So do not use the term very again and again. Instead, you can use the advanced words I have mentioned. So I'm quite sure you have found this video equally helpful like my other videos. So it is my request once again, please do not wait and immediately subscribe to Wisdom Zone and hit the bell icon to get this type of informative video. So stay tuned for further informative videos, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Wisdom Zone.